2025 Honda CRV Hybrid Oil Change.
This one's for you Honda boys out there. I didn't know the screws was that long. Alright, exposed to some nice economic oil change systems right here. Woo. Excuse me. That was easy. There we go. Very nice. Can I get this by hand? Yeah. Damn, this is their first oil change. They did not make it easy for us from the factory, huh? God damn. Yeah. Whew. This gotta be their first oil change right here. Yeah. Whew. Very nice. Spin a little more. Whew. Perfect. So you know, I'm very, very afraid of oil. Oh, wrong way. What the fuck? Come on out, buddy. There we go. Let me clean that up for you too. Very nice. Here's the new boy for you. Plastic never gets in that hole right there. Yeah, give me a little more. Very nice. Yeah.
Okay, question. If you try to
Let me see what you got over here, huh? OEM style.